Hi guys, it's Raf from Golden Eagle Golf Club. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys how to make a booking using our golf website, our Golden Eagle Golf website. So today I'm going to be using a MacBook Pro, so my web browser would be different from someone who's using a PC. If you're using a PC computer, you're most likely going to have a Google Chrome or Internet Explorer or Firefox as your web browser. For me on a Mac, I'll be using Safari. So the first thing we'll do is we'll just go to Google just to make it all consistent for everyone. Second thing we're going to do is in the Google bar, we're going to type in Golden Eagle Golf Club. Once we're done that, we're going to hit search and it's going to redirect us all the way to this little link right here. We're going to click on that. And so now you're on our website, and so there are two ways for you guys to actually book your tee times. The first would be this little book online button right here underneath our golf banner. And the second place would be in the top right corner where it says book our tee time. So if you click either one of those, it shall redirect you to where we do our actual bookings. So the one thing I want to highlight here is this is where it also shows us our most up-to-date cancellation policy. So our cancellation policies do change depending on if we are in winter golf or in summer golf. So please come check our cancellation policy before you guys make a booking. So underneath here, there are two ways for us to make bookings. One will be for visitors and public. The other one will be for members. I will be doing a member login video in a separate video. So this one will just be for public and visitors. So if you wanted to book a tee time, say for example, on Wednesday, December 23rd, we would click on that. We're just gonna highlight whichever course we wanna play on. So that's South Course. And the number of players in our party, we have 4 players, for example. So one interesting thing to note here is this is where we'll be making any sort of changes to the rate and the daily fee for playing golf. So if you are senior and over the age of 55, you'll be able to apply for our senior rate. Please do bring photo ID just in case we do have to check. I know some of the players don't look 55, but we do have to check that anyways. So, and if your entire group is senior, make sure that you're changing it for everyone in your party. Once we hit continue on that, it will load all of the tee times that we are able to play on. So I think I'll pick the 9:48 group for our party. And then once we hit continue, we can just review this before. So December 23rd, South Course, 4 players, all under senior, and the time. Hit on continue, and we'll be redirected to our Chrono Golf page, and this is where we do any sort of payments, add on carts, and actually go through that whole process. So I will be doing this Chrono Golf in a separate video, so please stay tuned for the next video, okay? Thanks guys.